So we're getting ready to put the front piece in. Been working on the rim. Did a lot of removing the heavier rust around here, and then steel or wire brushing, and then coarse sandpaper, because we really need this as smooth as possible is best. The Z-Zip is great, but you still want it smooth as you can. So I think we're good. Feels pretty good. I mean, yeah, there is some dimpling there, but hopefully the Z-Zip will help the rubber seal there. And then we're Z-zipping the metal as we put it on. So we propped up the sides to keep the box up where it should be. And now we'll install this front piece. Hopefully at that point I can take the board out on each side and then put the side pieces in, which should help it stay even more. So there's where we're at. You can see what we're doing with any rust areas. We're Z-zipping them. Should penetrate, deep penetration, expelling water, and then the hardener in it will harden up, which is also water repellent. So therefore it's pretty much a coating, and it's embedding it with the coating. Okay, let's now I did decide to use screws. So the reason I wasn't going to use screws is because of the head. I didn't want the head hitting the liner, but on the other side of the coin, the screws pull the metal together, and these are pretty stiff pieces of metal, so it's not easy. I don't think I could have done the same thing with rivets. Although I did plan on using rivets, I then switched. We were quite careful as to not hit anything underneath, and we're going to have to continue to do that, and hopefully we do not hit anything underneath. So like for example right here, there's some pipes running underneath here, hoses, so we don't want to screw into this area. You need to remember that. And then we have the gas tank down there too, so you have to be careful about that. Okay, so I think we're in good shape to start screwing this on.